Hello dear children, hope you all are studying along with playing games, right? Yes, you all are just enjoying with your new books and notebooks, right? You all are doing so. Yes, very good children, right? So today, once again we are here to study. Here we study subject EVS chapter 3 are sense organs, right? In our last chapter, we studied the previous one, we studied the names of the body parts. Similarly, here in this chapter, we will study sense organs from our body parts, right? In our body, we are having different parts. Some parts are very important. So these parts are called senses. Okay, these are called sense organs, right? Here you can see on the board what is there. Eyes. Spelling of eyes, EYES. So tell me, how do you see? How do you see? With your hands you see. With your cheeks you see. No. We see with our eyes. Tell me. Eyes. Right. Touch your eyes. One, two. One, two. Close it. Can we see anything? No. Now open. Yes. Now we can see. So, first sense organ is eyes. Right? So what do we do with the eyes? We see. We see the whole world. Everything we can see with our eyes only, right? Now, how do you smell? Sometimes you say, wow, it's very good smell, fragrance. Sometimes you say, no, foul, it's not good smell, right? So, sometimes your mama puts very nice food. What do you say? Wow, it's very tasty. Right? So how? How you smell? Smell with the nose. Good smell comes, then we feel wow. It's very tasty. When mama cook something good for you, or you feel like that. This is very tasty, good fragrance, good smell is coming, right? Now, so that how do we just breathe in with our nose? So smell comes to our body, and then after we feel like it's a good smell. So how do we smell? With our nose. Touch your nose. Yes. Spelling of nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Now, how do we taste? We say it's very sweet. Wow, this one is very sweet. This food is sweet. Dessert is sweet. That one is very salty. Salt is somewhere, salt is good. It's sour. That lemon sour. So how do we just taste? We put food put in our mouth, then get the taste. But how the taste comes out? With a tongue. Show me your tongue. Yes, tongue color, skin of pink color, right? Spelling of tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. You have to learn the spellings also, right? Our tongue tells the taste of the food, okay? If that mango is sweet, how do we just come to know that when we eat it? So, our tongue tells the taste. Is sweet and sour? Our tongue tells the taste when we eat, alright? It's salty, our tongue tells the taste when we eat. Now, touch your ears. Now, Close your ears, close like that. Can we hear something? No, it's not clear. Now open. Yes, we can hear. So, with which body part we can hear? We can hear with our ears. Can we hear with our hands, fingers, stomach, leg? No. We hear with our ears. Alright. Next. How do we feel? This is very soft. Now, this is very little hard. It's not soft, not smooth. It's little hard. Rough. You can say rough. This one is rough. But when we touch with our hands soft now. So how do we say this? No, this is soft. This is rough. And when we rub with this pen, marker, it's hard. So how do we feel all these? With our eyes we feel? With nose we feel? No. With our tongue we feel? With our skin. In our whole body, we all are having skin. So how do we feel with our skin? Alright, how do we feel with our skin? Our skin helps to feel. It's a soft, it's hard, it's rough. Okay, it's pinching. When we pinch our hands, then we can feel it's pinching. So our skin helps to feel. Alright. Now, spelling of ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Spelling of skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Alright. So, how many sense organs? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are our sense organs. Alright. 5 sense organs we are having. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. Okay? Eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Okay? You can see here in your book also that we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we smell with our nose, we taste with our tongue, we feel with our skin. And you know, the thinnest skin in our body part is here, where? On our eyelid. The thinnest one. The thinnest skin is where? On our eyelid. Alright? So, how many sense organs we are having? 5. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, skin. You have to know that all 5 names with spellings you must know are sense organs. How do we see? With our eyes. How do we smell? With our nose. How do we taste? With our tongue. How do we hear? With our ears. How do we feel? With our skin. Alright? Skin of the body. Now, we are having in this chapter some exercise also. Open page number 10. You can see on the page number 10 here, take the correct option. You have to take that. So, we have how many eyes? 2. How many eyes? 2. So, you have to fill there or take the correct answer. We have 2 eyes. Do we have 4 or 3 eyes? Do we have? No. How many eyes? 2 eyes. Okay? Next, ears. Ears are used to read. Do we read with ears? Do we read? No. Do we read? No. Do we hear? Yes, you will take here. Do we smell? No. Cross that. Okay? Next is we taste. With our nose. Do we taste with our nose? No. With the skin? No. With our tongue? Yes. So you will correct with the tongue. Alright. Next is we have sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 3, 2, 4, or 5? 5. We are having 5. What will you fill here? 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5. Alright. How many sense organs we have? 5. Okay. So, do this exercise A yourself. All options are there. You have to see the option and tick. Here you can fill, or in the last you can fill. Okay. Now, exercise B you see. Fill with suitable words. We are having some words to fill, like ear, smell, taste, see. Now, fill here, correct answer. Eyes help us to taste. No, to see. S-double-E, see. What will you fill here? See. S-double-E, see. Alright. Next. Nose help us to what? Smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. What will you fill here? Smell. See you fill, smell you fill. What is left now? Number 3. Ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear. How do we hear with our ears? Right? Now what is left? Taste only. Which word? Taste. So you will fill here taste. Tongue helps us to taste. What will come here? Taste. So all words we have used in 4 sentences, right? So with this way you came to know what? Eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, tongue to taste, right? Once again you can sing this way also. Eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, tongue to taste, alright? Now, what will we do? Next exercise, see, that one is matching. We will match. Okay? We will make some pictures, some words, we will match with that. This one is what? Nose. This one is what? Nose. This one? Tongue. This one? Eyes. Okay? Now, this one? Skin. Skin. Now, ears. Ears. Now, you have to just match. Spelling of taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Spelling of smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Spelling of feel, F-E-E-L, feel. Spelling of hear, H-E-A-R, hear. Spelling of see, S-E-E-C. Now, first you see, how do we taste? Eyes? No. Tongue. How do we taste? With the tongue. Now, how do we smell? With the nose. How do we see? With our eyes. How do we feel? With the skin. How do we hear? With the ears. So, nose to smell, tongue to taste, eyes to see, ears to hear, skin to feel. So, how many sense organs we are having in our body? 5 sense organs, okay? So, when you will get the worksheets to do the work, you all are supposed to do in your school notebook, very good and neat handwriting, and just can draw the pictures of the sense organs, or you can paste the pictures of sense organs, alright? Study well and just practice names of the sense organs. You can see we are having in our body 5 sense organs. You can tell everybody, those who are around you, you can tell in our body we are having 5 sense organs. Number 1, eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear, tongue to taste, and 5, skin to feel, right? So, study well and be a very good child, okay?